Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use the Mental Measurements Yearbook. So from the Capella homepage, you're going to go across to Library, and then you can either go down right here and go to Databases A to Z, or you can click on that library or Library Home. That'll take you to a page that looks like this, and then you'll click on Databases and that button, Databases A to Z. So from here, we're going to find M for Mental Measurements Yearbook, and there we go. All right, so now I only use this top bar, so I'm going to put in, just as an example, obsessive compulsive disorder or obsessive compulsive disorder or OCD. That's going to give me the most options. And from here, I can do my publication year if that's required for your professor. That will help you narrow it down, but I'm just going to search. All right, and let's check out this first one. This was written in 2005, this review. So the reviewer, so the author of all of this, here's his name, and then these are the authors of the actual inventory. And again, here we have the name of the reviewer and all of this information. So you are going to be citing this author. And then there he has his references here. And to cite this in APA, you're going to go over to the right, click Cite, and make sure you choose APA. Just copy this right here. I really hope this helps. Best of luck.